Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best toaster ovens, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best toaster ovens options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which toaster ovens is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Breville Smart Oven Pro Best Overall Toaster Ovens. The Breville the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro BOV 900BSS is a large air fryer toaster oven combo with a big capacity. This high-end model has some premium features, like an LED screen and adjustable beep volume. It has a fan for air frying that you can switch on or off for most modes. It comes with the usual wire racks and baking pans, as well as an air fry basket, broiling rack, and pizza pan. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is good for air frying. Its dedicated air fry mode uses a powerful fan, which helps it crisp and brown foods like French fries much faster than toaster ovens without an air fry feature. Its large cooking chamber gives you room to arrange your food in a single layer for better results. And the included mesh basket helps ensure your food cooks evenly. It produces quite evenly air-fried food, although a proportion of it will still be undercooked. It's also still slower compared with most good drawer-style air fryers. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is good for mixed use. Its large cooking chamber can fit a 9 by 13-inch baking sheet, an average frozen pizza, or 9 slices of bread. Number 2. Cosori Air Fryer Toaster Oven Best Toaster Ovens. The Cosori CO130-AO is a stainless steel countertop air fryer toaster oven, meaning it has a convection system as a feature and an air fryer basket as accessories. Introduced in 2019, this Cosori air fryer toaster oven currently has over 10,000 ratings, over 70% of which are 5-star, on Amazon. Priced at $189.66 at the time of publication, it ranks at the number 4 bestseller in convection ovens and 26 in air fryers on Amazon. Looking at other key features including power output, cooking functions, and accessories, we first speculated that it could offer tremendous value. Thus, we decided to purchase it for further evaluation. Cosori also has another air fryer toaster oven model that can be connected to an app and another controlled using Alexa. Number 3. Black + Decker Toaster Oven Best Value Toaster Ovens. The Black & Decker 4-slice toaster oven is very good for baking. It tends to overshoot the selected temperature a bit when preheating, but afterward cools down and maintains a stable and accurate temperature during cooking, which makes it easier to follow recipes and cook delicate foods. There aren't any major hot or cold spots in the chamber, which helps ensure all your food gets baked evenly. And the Black & Decker 4-slice toaster oven isn't good for mixed usage. Its small size limits what you can use it for, and it lacks an air fry mode and isn't well suited for food you want crispy. Number 4. Cuisinart Chef's Best Convection Toaster Ovens. The Cuisinart Chef's convection oven placed itself solidly in the upper echelon of toaster ovens. It received high marks for toasting, baking, and ease of use. The only thing that separated it from toaster ovens was its below-average temperature accuracy. This might cause issues if you bake very temperature-sensitive items, but most likely would not be noticeable otherwise. If you're not particularly concerned with temperature accuracy, the Cuisinart was on par with, but just slightly inferior to, the 2 top toaster ovens in our baking test. The only reason it missed out on a higher score was that it was somewhat less adept at retaining moisture. It made cookies with crispy edges and gooey middles that, if anything, were just a tad too dry. It cooked cakes very evenly, but again with a slightly drier texture. Its drumsticks were top-notch, but again the meat was just a bit drier than that of the best-performing ovens. And in our ease of use testing, the Cuisinart again sat right behind the top performer. It has a solid crumb tray that is easy to remove and clean. Number 5. Panasonic FlashXpress Best Compact Toaster Ovens. The Panasonic FlashXpress NB-G110P is a small, high-end toaster oven with a retro look, including an old-fashioned digital timer. It's mainly intended for toasting and for reheating snacks like small frozen pizzas or hash browns. Its timer goes up to 25 minutes, and it has 8 temperature presets for cooking manually. This toaster oven comes with a baking tray and wire rack, and the Panasonic FlashXpress toaster oven is good for toasting. It can fit 4 slices and makes golden brown toast just as fast as a good slot-style toaster. Number 6. Instant Omni Plus Best Air Fryer. Toaster ovens. The Instant Omni Plus 18-liter air fryer toaster oven paves the way for an easy feast with a status bar, automatic reminders, and an app featuring instructional recipes. It's suitable for people who are all about convenience, smart technologies, and overall efficiency at a good price. The Instant proved to be the best toaster oven for air frying, with its outstanding capabilities shown in our cooking tests. In addition to an air fryer basket, it comes with a rotisserie kit to cover all the cooking methods an oven can provide. As proof of good design, the accessories fit perfectly, minimizing inconvenience and the danger of electric shocks. However, in trying to increase convenience, it succumbs to minor weaknesses in its technology. And the performance of the Instant Omni Plus 18-liter air fryer toaster oven is consistently great. In particular, it's excellent at baking, air frying fries, and roasting a whole chicken. This is thanks to its great design,